Do you want to know how you can log into your home development mutual fund account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your home development mutual fund account. Go ahead and open Chrome or as browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar to search for Home Development Mutual Fund Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official page of Home Development Mutual Funds. You can see this is the login portal. Write down your email address in this box, your password, and then click Login. This way you can log into your Home Development Mutual Fund account. If it's your first time logging in, click on this link and you can see you can create your account by writing your personal details like your email address, password, new password and confirm password. After you write down, click submit and you will be headed to another account. If you want to create it, go ahead and click create account, and there are three types of account: for loyalty card plus, active account, creation for OFWS. So choose your account and create a home development account for yourself now. If you have forgotten your password and want to recover it, this is the link for you. Click on it, write down your email address, click verify. An email will be sent to you by Home Development Mutual Fund and then you can reset your password quite easily. This was a video on how you can log into your Home Development Mutual Fund account. So, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.